Is the system of the human being. Mouth, buccal cavity, pharynx, foot pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, rectum, anus. So digestive system of the human being starts from the mouth and end with the anus. So in this foot-like biped structure, the alimentary canal, longest tube-like structure is there that start from the mouth and end with the anus. We are eating the different types of food. In the nutrition, we have the carbohydrates, fats, fats and proteins. These are the macronutrients. Macronutrients and micronutrients are present. So these macronutrients present in our food that we are taking into our buccal cavity. In a buccal cavity, with the help of teeth and tongue, we churn the food and cut the food. That complex substances convert into simpler substance with the help of tongue and teeth. Now, in our buccal cavity, there is a 3 pairs of salivary glands. 3 pairs of salivary glands. These salivary glands secrete saliva. So, salivary gland secretes the saliva. In that saliva contains the enzyme. That enzyme name is thiolin. Thiolin or salivary amylase. Thiolin or salivary amylase. So these thiolin and salivary amylase act on the carbohydrates and convert into maltose. And saliva juice is mixed with the food and the slippery substance is formed. Bolus like that is a bolus. Slippery substance is formed. It is a passes easily to the palate in a food pipe. While the food is passing through the food pipe, there is the wave-like movement is there. This wave-like movement is called peristaltic movement. Peristaltic movement, the food is now entered into the bag-like structure in a stomach. Stomach has J-shaped structure in alphabet J letter. J-shaped structure. The stomach is present left side of our abdominal cavity. In this stomach, the acid is produced. That acid is hydrochloric acid. So the food is mixed with the acid. Now the walls of the stomach contain the digestive gland that are beneath the digestive enzyme pepsin. Pepsin is act on a protein that convert into peptone. Protein converted to peptone. First we learn about the carbohydrates convert into maltose. Now protein in the stomach, protein convert into peptone. So this pepsin enzyme secretion in the stomach wall and act on the protein and convert into peptone. The simpler substances of now the carbohydrate and solid, partially solid substance. This is called chyme. Now chyme is enter into the U-shaped structure. This is a duodenum. Duodenum is the first part of the small intestine. So these pyloric sphincter passes the food material and little quantity into the duodenum. So the duodenum is the site of the digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So in this duodenum open, so this is the largest gland, liver. Liver is produce the juice, is bile juice, and pancreas produce the juice of enzymes, lipase, amylase, and pyruvate. So that enzymes act on the food material and digestion. Now bile juice, these bile juice does not contain the digestive enzyme. Digestive enzymes are absent in bile juice. So these bile juice act on a fat and convert into simpler substance. So complex substance can convert into simpler substance without changes of the chemical. This is the emulsification. Food is entered into the small intestine. The small intestine is a longest part of the digestive system. In a small intestine, inner side, the projection-like structures are there. These projection structures, villi, singular is villus, villi. So these villi are expanded the area of the small intestine and well supply of the blood capillaries, means blood vessels, and lymph vessels are supplied. Lymph vessels, blood supplies are there. From here, the completely digestion food is absorbed. So how the complete? What are the enzymes in here? So in a small intestine, when the food is entered, in this the enzymes like lipase, amylase, trypsin enzymes are released. These lipase act on the fat substances and convert into fatty acids, or glycerol. And amylase act on the maltose and convert into glucose. Trypsin act on the peptone and convert into amino acids. Glucose is a simpler substance of the carbohydrates. Fatty acids are simpler substance of fats. Amino acids are simpler substance of proteins. Now these three substances are completely digestion take place in a small intestine. From here we like the blood vessels absorption. So these food material enter into the blood vessels and lymph vessels finally reach to the heart and various parts of the body. After the digestion, what is the waste material? Excess of water, fibers that is entered into the large intestine. These large intestine is absorb the excess of water and little bit indigestion food. Also what are the protein, carbohydrate that is absorbed. Then excess waste material form that is stored in a rectum for short period. After that is released out of the body through the anus. Okay, this is the digestive system of the human being.